Are you doing car wash?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I got Hopi.
What's Hope doing?
Can we put it on the head?
No, she's gonna get it drip in her eye. Did you wash your car? Is your car clean? Very good.
Mom, look at my paper towel.
You want a paper towel?
Yeah.
For what? Here, just dry it on the towel. Here, put it here. We can dry it in the towel. You want me to dry the car for you? Oh, smushy smush. Smushy smush. Smush your hands in all of the foam. Wow.
Mommy, how about I touch you?
You're gonna rub it on my, oh, you're gonna paint my leg?
Yeah. I like to make pictures.
I'm painting my leg. Ah, good job.